Welcome back to Bike Plus, your trusted channel for honest car and bike reviews. Today we're talking about the all-new 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 125, a bike that continues Honda's legacy of reliability, comfort, and smooth performance in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Fire design and styling. The 2026 model comes with a refreshed and more premium look. Honda has given this unicorn sharper tank shrouds, a stylish LED headlamp, and updated graphics that make it look more modern and sporty. The muscular fuel tank and chrome finishing on selected parts give it a classy appeal. The bike maintains its simple yet elegant commuter identity, making it perfect for both young riders and daily office users. Gear engine and performance. Under the tank, the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 125 is powered by a refined 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. The engine delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency, which is exactly what Pakistani riders look for in this category. The 5-speed gearbox feels soft and precise, while Honda's proven engine reliability ensures long-term durability. Whether you're riding in city traffic or cruising on highways, this bike offers a vibration-free and stable experience. Comfort and features. Comfort has always been a strong point of the Unicorn. The long and wide seat provides excellent support for both rider and pillion. The suspension setup absorbs bumps easily, making it ideal for rough roads. It also includes a semi-digital meter console, engine kill switch, alloy wheels, and improved braking performance for added safety. Moneybag expected price and verdict. The expected price of the 2026 Honda CB Unicorn 125 may fall in the mid-range 125 cubic centimeters category, making it a value-for-money option. If you want reliability, comfort, and a premium feel in one package, this bike is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more latest bike reviews and updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Motorcycle.